I'm Marilyn Peavy with 4 Lash Lovers. Y'all say hello. And I am going to show y'all a beautiful eye palette I got in the mail. So I had got this palette in yesterday, so I wanted to try to come on today and show y'all this beautiful pink palette. Pink is in, you guys. Pink for the spring and summer, and it's just in time for Valentine's. Y'all look at these colors. Can y'all see those colors? Ooh, beautiful. The is called Unwarranted, and it is almost to me as a shimmer, a metallic shimmer, and it's like every color. It's iridescent, and it picks up every color of the rainbow. So it's a beautiful color. Look at that. And then this one is Adored, and it's a light pink. Let's see if I can't get a color of that so y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Without the light distorting it. And this one is called Alluring, and it is a beautiful, I don't know, I guess a mauve looking color. Hey, Peggy. And then this one is Devoted, and it looks dark black in the palette, but it's not. It is to me, a dark plum color. A dark plum. And these colors are beautiful on. So let's get started with this. I am going to go, let me pull my station a little bit closer. I got a makeup station, and it rolls. It's got all my makeup brushes and everything. So let me find my brush. All right, I'm going to use the blending brush, and I'm going to go into Adored, which is this light pink. But first off, let's go ahead and put some eye primer on. I have not done that. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my blending brush, and I am going to use this light colored pink Adored, and I am going to load this up. And like I said, the pink is in, and all I'm doing is I am just doing this as a transition color. With this light pink. Can y'all see that? Y'all give me some hearts if you can see it. So all we're doing is just lining right up above on the brow line, brow bone, not line, brow bone, that Adored. It's the light pink. And pinks are in, you guys. So they come out with this palette for Valentine's Day, and this is my favorite so far, my favorite palette to date. I love these colors. Pink is in, and I love wearing pink. Pink and purples and browns is my favorite, and anybody skin tone or whatever can wear this. It is so pretty. I have seen women putting this on since it came out on February 1st in different skin tones. So anyway, there's the Adored. And what's good about this palette, it comes with a crease brush, and I'm going to use one that I've already have opened. Okay, a crease brush, and I am going to go into Alluring, which is this color right here. And we're going to go right here and bring it down. And then I'm going to use that blending brush. This is a lifesaver. I love this blending brush because it makes it almost kind of makes it look like it's airbrushed on. You know how you do an airbrush? It just smooths it out flawlessly. And all we're doing is just smoothing those edges. Look at that. And go light at the beginning, and you can darken it up as you go. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Basically, this is the crease. And I'm just going to use that blending brush to bring it up. Bring it up and out. Smooth it out. Just like so. I'm going to do a little bit more. Darken it up. Filling it in. All right, we're smoothing this out and bringing it up. Just like so, you guys. See what I got? Pretty! All right. Now, I am going to use that same crease brush, and I'm going to use that plum looking color, and I'm just going to use just a very little bit on my, and I'm just going to go right here in the crease, and I'm just going to make a dot. I don't want to use, I want to go very little on that. And all we're going to do is just darken that crease up, making it three-dimensional. Darkening it up. Smoothing it out. Now, I am going to use my crease brush, where is my cleaner? Well, there it is. All right, I'm going to use the cream eyeshadow brush. I like using the cream eyeshadow brush on my lids. And I take the Behold setting spray, or you can use rose water, it don't matter, or just plain water. And I'm going to dip it into that color that's iridescent. This one right here is called Unwavering. You guys, this camera is probably not giving you the full benefits of this color, but hopefully it'll show up. And I'm just going to dab it right here on my lid. Y'all look at that. Can y'all see that? Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Go right here in the corner. And I'm going to go above the brow bone with it. Just to highlight it. Can y'all see how it brought it up? Since I didn't put none on this side, it just highlights it and kind of gives your brows a lift. Okay, I'm gonna go up underneath. I'm gonna use this color right here to go underneath, and I'm going to use that crease brush again. And we're just gonna go bring it right down here by the brow line and bring it over. Join it. Now, I'm going to show y'all a tricky trick. I am going to use my, this is my brow brush that I use. And I want to use a liner. And I'm going to use the liner with this color right here, this dark color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my brush with that Behold setting spray, and I'm going to dip it into that dark color, and we're going to produce a liner. And I may have to use my mirror. So all we're going to do is we're going to line our eyes with that dark color. Y'all see that? Just like so. Now I'm going to take this right up under, as close to my lash line as possible. I'm not going to do the waterline with this powder. I really haven't trusted myself doing that yet. I would probably use a pencil if I was going to do my waterline. And I'm not taking it all the way over. I'm just bringing it as far as to the pupil right there in the middle. That's it. Now, all I need is my mascara. And let's see. We'll use the Epic, the One Step. Y'all look pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. That palette, this palette, let's see if y'all can see the colors better. Y'all see the colors? Ooh. That palette comes with the crease brush, and it also comes with this lip bonbon. And you guys, I love these lip bonbons. They come in 5 different colors, but you're getting the lip bonbon for free. And it'll moisturize your lips. But it's tinted. There is a clear one, so you can called vanilla milkshake. Let's see if I've got it. I thought I had it right here. There it is. The vanilla milkshake. And it's just clear, so you can use it right over top of your lipstick. So I put the exfoliator off. Let me wipe it off. All right. So these are the tinted lip bonbons, and it just gives your lips a hint of color. And it's so moisturizing. And actually, I talked to my sister-in-law yesterday because I gave her some for Christmas. And she told me she wanted more because she loved it. But look at that. It moisturizes your lips. Beautiful. So anyway, I wanted to tell y'all that for the month of February, if you help me host a workshop and your workshop qualifies, you're going to get this little jar of glitter, which I just dusted it all over my hands. See? Didn't mean to do that. But anyway, it is a lip to put on your lips, and you put it, or you can put it on your cheeks. It don't matter, but you put it on with a brush, and all you do, there's enough in that cap to put on your lips, and look. It's going to sparkle your lips and give it a sheen. It's so pretty. Look at that. I'll put some on my cheek just to highlight my cheek. Y'all gonna get this for free if your party qualifies, or we like to call them workshops, or I like calling them workshops. But you're gonna get this lip sparkle for your lips, so you can use them on your lips, your cheeks. I've used a bit on the eyes. So if anybody's interested, please let me know. But if y'all want this palette, y'all can go to my website. You get this, and your choice color of the lip bonbon. You've got 5 different colors to choose from off my website at 4 Lash Lovers. That's FOUR lashelovers.com, and it's under kudos. Love this palette, and the pinks are in. But tomorrow I will show y'all a different way of doing this tomorrow if my vertigo holds in. So talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day, and thank you, Wanda. I appreciate it, baby. Thanks. She put my website up there. You're such a sweet pea. Anyway, if y'all want to save this or share it with your friends, and I'll talk to y'all hopefully tomorrow. Bye.